Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Swastika, and in this video we will be discussing some important books on political theory that you have to purchase if you intend to study political theory in political science. But before I move on to the rest of the video, I request you to please press the subscribe button in case you are new here, and in case you want to connect with me and you want to talk to me personally, you can message me on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get to it. So when you start studying political theory, you first have to understand your end goal in studying it. So if you are studying political theory from the perspective of gaining an academic bird's eye view into the subject, then you should start reading the original texts. This means that for thinkers like Hobbes, Locke, Rousseau, you can start reading material like Leviathan, or for Machiavelli, you can read The Prince. So you can start reading original texts because that is going to give you a more academic perspective into political theory. And for this video, if you are studying political theory from the perspective of clearing competitive papers, or from the perspective of simply getting your BA honors or BA program in political science out of the way, then these are the books that are the holy grail, that are the dictionary that give you a very clear conceptual insight into the subject. So the first book in the list of books that talks about political theory is going to be this little book called Political Theory, and this is written by Rajiv Bhargava and Ashok Acharya. So this is one of the most recommended books in political theory because it very conceptually and very clearly takes you over a plethora of important and relevant concepts. So in case you are beginning your BA honors or your BA program, or you're just studying for competitive papers, this book is a must-have. Luckily, this book also has a very high availability, and you can simply order it on Amazon, or you can order it from your nearest bookstore. So it's not very difficult to find because it's highly available. So the second thing that I want to talk about this book is that it discusses a lot of key concepts, from liberty to gender to power to sovereignty, and these concepts are in fact discussed by some of the biggest names in the political science industry, in the political science discipline. These names include really headstrong women like Nivedita Menon, Anupama Roy, all of who are just professors in JNU right now. So this book is widely recommended and it is widely acclaimed because of the names that are associated with it. Secondly, it gives you a very clear perspective on what you have to do and what you have to write in your political theory paper. There is nothing that you can write in your political theory BA honors paper that will exceed the ambit and the portions covered by this book. So this is pretty much the best buy, the most easily available buy, and the best thing that you can do to yourself as a student of political science if you are inclined towards studying political theory. The second thing that I want to talk about, if you find, let's say, this book a little difficult and a little tricky to understand because you are perhaps new to this discipline and you haven't really you aren't really getting taught by professors, and you want to study it yourself and you're having issues and you're not able to understand, the second book that I would recommend is going to be An Introduction to Political Theory by R.C. Virmani. So this book is perfect for people who just want to give a DU paper, they want to give a DU external end sem paper. Then you just have to read this book. You can finish it in a week, and I assure you, you will get very good marks in your DU papers. So this book is perfect from that perspective, and it is also very simple, very easy. Political science does not get any easier than how it has been explained in this book. But please keep in mind that this is not, I mean, this book is perfect if you want to give your papers and you want to get good marks, because this is what you would expect from you. But this book is not really academic, and it misses out on a lot of things, a lot of important thinkers, a lot of thoughts that are covered better by Rajiv Bhargava. But only if you don't understand this should you then move on to R.C. Virmani. The last book that a lot of people ask me about in almost all my videos, and they want to gain insights into whether this book I would recommend or if I would not recommend, is O.P. Gauba, An Introduction to Political Theory. So this is pretty much the book that encompasses everything in political theory, but I just find it extremely confusing. I don't understand people who can relate to O.P. Gauba, because I surely can't. Every time I read this book, I am more confused about the concept, about the ideas, than I started out to begin with. So I would not recommend this book, which is O.P. Gauba. But if you are somebody who wants a brief outline into the subject, and if you just want to know what exactly political theory is about, and if you want to gain a bird's eye view into the subject, then definitely go in for O.P. Gauba, because it talks about and it lists out the topics in political theory really well. So I would not say that it explains concepts very well. I would also not say that it's easy to understand, but I would say that it gives you a nice outline into the syllabus. So if you just want to know what the syllabus is, how expansive it is, and what all it encompasses, then I would say you stick to O.P. Gauba. But if you just are a beginner, a layman who has no idea about the subject, and you want to give your DU papers and be done with it, then this is the book R.C. Virmani that you are looking for. It's very easy to understand, simple layman English. The best book out of these three, and this one comes highly recommended, as I've already said, is going to be Rajiv Bhargava. So guys, I think this is it. It's not very difficult to go through any of these books. I think all three of them are widely available on Amazon. I can put the links in the description box down below. And in case you have any issues, any problems, you can type them down in the comment section below. I am also available on Instagram. You can follow me there, and I mostly always reply to people who have issues with or doubts in political science. That I always reply. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, then that's great. Don't forget to subscribe, and I think that's it.